So here's the second example of representativeness. Suppose that we wanted to find out about GPAs for Santa Ana College students, so we take a sample of 150 Police Academy students at Santa Ana College and assess their GPAs. And the question is whether or not that group is actually representative of all SAC students. Now, demographics aside, let's just talk about what most of the Police Academy students are. So most Police Academy students at Santa Ana College are doing continuing education. Okay, so they're doing continuing ed. Their grades are assessed in their job. So basically, they need to do well in order to keep their jobs. Okay? So there's definitely a different kind of motivation. So they're doing continuing ed. They've been inside of the workforce. Most of them are, in fact, police officers and have been police officers for a while. They're required to do a few classes a year or maybe a few classes every couple of years. And they're required to do well. If they don't do well, they don't keep their jobs. So here's the thing. What kind of GPAs would we expect them to have? Well, really high ones. And it turns out that they do. In fact, it's like 99%. They pass 99% of the classes that they take, right? Well, is that really representative of all SAC students? And the answer is no, it's not. It's not going to be representative of all SAC students because all SAC students don't have to do well in their classes in order to keep their jobs. And in addition to that, they're not actually taking classes in things that A, right, they've had experience in, or B, that they have a ton of preparation for oftentimes. And so consequently, we see very different GPAs for people in the police academy than all SAC students, right? Is it the case that I can infer my results from the police academy onto all SAC students? No, I can't. And so what that means is that the police academy is not actually, or police academy students aren't representative of all SAC students.